Dirty lens. So now Himanshu's in a lot. We're making really good progress on Himanshu's tiny house.
Yeah, I'm up here. I'm just putting the first layer of the roof, which is wood. I'm gonna put some plywood, and then eventually I'm gonna put metal on it. It's gonna look great.
Very good. Careful. Yep. See, it's slanted roof, so we need to be careful. Also be careful where you're stepping. Ideally, you will step on where these nails are.
So where I'm standing now are these nails here, and they all lead up to these columns, and in between the nails is that open space where the columns are not standing, and that can be dangerous if you stand on that spot, because it could punch a hole in the roof, and you could, in the worst case, you could fall down, crash, and die. So
Yeah, and well, you wouldn't die and you wouldn't fall through unless you're standing right in the middle and you cut.
don't.
Worst case, you will have your legs stuck through the roof. Ready?
Ready.
Where you're standing is not safe. Go back. Yeah, there you go. One step back, yeah. Because notice, this here is just a little cover.
Mm.
It has no support on the walls at all. But where you are now is perfectly safe. I think I can just bring this up. First, I need to make sure that this is going to be safe. Bit of a mistake, but that's okay.
What mistake?
So this piece,
Mm-hmm.
it's not going to line up with the far end and land in the middle of the seat here.
Mm.
So when I'm nailing this thing in, I need to be sure that I extend it just like I did on that first sheet. You know. So, but that's okay. Live and learn. Are there to support in the middle of the rafters. Basically, between the two sheets of plywood, I just attach this, and that maintains a very small, I believe it's supposed to be like 5/8 or something, gap. Oh, sorry, not 5/8, 1/8 of an inch gap. 5/8 would be bigger.
So Himanshu's using super glue.
Yeah, this is construction grade glue.
You can. It's not good to glue these to your hat, right?
No.
Yeah, it can really stick to your head really badly. You couldn't even wash them off, right?
That's right. You don't want to do that.
Tape.
Yeah.
That's one big tape.
Yeah. Merci.
Believe it? It's springtime.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go.
I'm guessing YouTube must have.
Today, we're gonna wrap the house like a Christmas present.